You'd be amazed what they find that can get taken care of. It's a new home. It's a full inspection, 30 pages or so. And everything on that report, you just hand it over to the building supervisor, and they're gonna fix everything from, furnace, AC operation, water heaters, showing you all that type of work, bricks, expansion joints, flute pipe, to roofs, nail pops, kitchen cabinetry, all your cosmetic stuff. You're gonna blue tape the whole house. All that's gonna get done. Lighting and fixtures, flooring, foundation, sheetrock, every bit of it. So always hire an inspector to do a final inspection before you do your final walkthrough on your home.